Hello, everyone. I have been getting a lot of questions about using the new Google Meet Grid View app extension that I released to you guys this morning. I will let you know that students have the ability to install this app, but I am not pushing it out to everyone. So if they do want to install it, please have them use the link that I will include in the description of this video. Using the grid view is very easy. Once the extension is installed, when you are in a Google meeting, you will have this grid that shows up in the top right hand corner. And all you have to do is click on it to turn it on, and it will display everybody in a nice grid setting. Of course, I only have one attendee in my meeting, so it's only showing them right now. But for example, if you have a large classroom meeting, everybody will be able to see each other at the same time. You do have a few of other options with the grid as it pops down. You can only show the participants with the video. So if somebody turns off their camera, they won't show up. You can still have it highlight the speaker as well, and you can include yourself in the grid. So there are a few options that you can do while using the Google Grid View, which is very useful, especially if your classmates want to get together and see each other, or if you're holding a staff meeting and you would just like to see everybody involved. That is about all there is to it. When you're done, you can just turn off the grid view as well. And just a few reminders about that. The students will have to install it, and you will have to install it too. Just because you have it doesn't mean that it will affect their view. It's per device or per person. Otherwise, that is about all there is to it. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.